5 traders, 5 unique strategies, each battling in the crypto-only $100,000 showdown. Alpha Quant, a veteran trader, evaluated them on clarity of system, consistency in execution, risk control, and adaptability to different market conditions. Watch as Alpha Quant closely observes trader strategies, breaks down their strategies, performance, risk management, and mindset, and reveals the final rankings based on real-world crypto trading performance.
Hello, I am Sasha. I specialize in high-probability breakouts, but I don't go in blind. I combine on-chain sentiment, volume profile, and Bollinger Bands. My flow starts with the data. I track wallet flows, exchange inflows, and social mentions. If I see retail hype rising and smart money moving, I'm preparing. Then, I map the range with Bollinger Bands. If price hugs the upper band with rising OBV and social sentiment peaking, I'm ready for breakout confirmation. I go long on the candle close above upper resistance with volume expansion. If it's a fake out, my stop is just under midband with a 1.5R risk setup. Biggest win. I caught a SOL breakout from $22 to $31. Textbook breakout on volume plus sentiment. Biggest mistake. Entering too early on Doge when the band was still squeezing, it reversed hard. This system works because I wait for sentiment and structure to align. Discipline and data always.
Hello, I am Miles. I look for market exhaustion, moments where fear or greed hit extremes. I trade reversals using RSI, Fibonacci retracements, and candlestick confirmation. First, I scan for coins oversold on the 4H and daily with RSI under 28 or overbought above 75. Then, I apply Fibonacci from the last major swing. I want to see price reacting at the 0.618 or 0.786 level. If I get a hammer candle or a morning star near a key fib level and divergence on RSI, that's my entry. I set tight stop losses just below structure with 2:1 risk, reward minimum. Best trade? Caught BTC at $26,400 right at fib golden pocket plus RSI divergence. Rode it to $30,000. My worst? Shorting ETH too early without waiting for confirmation. Got steamrolled. My strategy wins because I wait for the market to overextend, and I only strike with confluence.
Hello, I am Juno. I'm a trend trader, but I don't chase. My system revolves around Ichimoku Cloud, ADX, and horizontal support zones. The cloud tells me structure, ADX gives me strength, and levels confirm continuation. If price is above the cloud, ADX is over 25, and the baseline is trending up, I'm looking to ride. Entries come on pullbacks into the Kijun-sen with ADX still trending. I add confluence, with price reacting at previous support. I don't scale in one sniper entry, with 1.5 R minimum and partial take profits layered at plus 2R and plus 3R. Best trade? Rode AVAX from $17 to $23, entered on clean bounce off Cloud Edge. Worst? Tried to trend trade in a sideways BTC week, stopped out 3 times. That taught me timing is everything. This system works because I trade only clean, confirmed trends, no emotion, no noise.
Hello, I am Theo. My style? Momentum-driven quant strategy. I combine a custom-built moving average crossover bot, MACD, and volume-weighted average price, VWAP. I don't trade noise, I code signals. The core of my system is a triple EMA stack, September 21st, 55. When the 9 crosses 21 with MACD histogram flipping green and price above VWAP, the bot alerts me. But I still verify, I need market-wide momentum, positive funding rates, rising volume, and clean sentiment. I trade BTC, ETH, and SOL futures on high leverage, but with tight trailing stops and dynamic exit rules. No hodling, just clean, directional scalps or swing holds for 2 to 3 days max. Top trade? I rode ETH from $2,100 to $2,390 using triple confluence on the 4H. Worst? Over-optimized an algo during chop, missed 2 clean moves because I didn't override manually. What makes it work? I let the system run, but I stay sharp enough to know when to override.
Hello, I am Victor. I mix fast scalping setups with slower swing conviction plays. My edge? A blend of stochastic RSI, order block mapping, and news catalysts. On the 15M chart, I scalp based on OB structure. I wait for price to return to an institutional order block, confirm with stock RSI crossing from oversold, and enter with tight stops. On the daily, I swing based on macro narrative. If ETF news hits, I chart the pullback zone, look for confluence on support, and wait for reversal signs. Best scalping win? Grabbed 6 quick longs on ARB with sniper timing, average 3% each. Swing? Rode BTC after ETF rumor from $39,000 to $46,000. Biggest mistake? Ignored stock RSI divergence and got reversed hard on a scalp. Why it works? Because I adapt, micro and macro, but always with confirmation.
Here is the final ranking for the $100,000 trading showdown. Number 1, Sasha, sentiment-driven breakout strategist. Why number 1? Sasha's method fuses on-chain data with technical breakout patterns, giving her a powerful edge in trending markets. She waits for volume and sentiment confluence, often entering after confirmation, not before. That reduces noise and keeps losses tight. She also understands macro narratives, allowing her to catch real moves instead of fake-outs. The emotional control in her process, plus clear invalidation rules, make her system highly scalable and robust across crypto volatility. Number 2, Theo, algorithmic momentum trader. Why number 2? Theo uses a systematic, high-frequency approach with strong automation logic. His triple EMA, MACD, and VWAP framework gives him consistent signals in volatile markets. What sets him apart is his override discipline. He trusts the bot, but doesn't go blind. He's also trading with leverage precision, riding short swings with clear setups. His only drawback? In sideways markets, momentum fades. Still, his tight control and adaptability earn him the number 2 spot. Number 3, Juno, risk-managed trend trader. Why number 3? Juno's Ichimoku plus ADX strategy is perfect for clean trend environments, and her use of pullback entries shows restraint and experience. She's not overtrading, and her system filters sideways chop effectively. However, trend systems can underperform in ranging conditions, where she might sit on her hands. Still, she's smart enough not to force trades, and that earns respect. Number 4, Victor, hybrid scalper/swinger. Why number 4? Victor's dual strategy, scalping and swing trading, makes him versatile, but potentially stretched. His edge is in speed and adaptability, using stock RSI plus order block for scalping and macro triggers for swings. However, his approach demands constant charting and attention, emotionally draining for many, and without full automation, burnout risk is high. His strategy works, but requires tight personal discipline, which slightly limits scalability. Number 5, Miles, reversal zone trader. Why number 5? Miles' RSI plus Fibonacci setup is technically strong, but lacks the adaptability of the others. Reversal strategies in crypto can be tricky, especially with fake-outs and sudden continuation moves. He relies heavily on confluence, which is solid, but often misses big trending legs because he waits too long. When he hits well, but the low trade frequency and slower adaptability push him down the ranks. Still a strong strategist, but in this crypto environment, reactive speed matters. Which trader strategy impressed you most? Who do you think will be the most profitable in the next most awaited bull run? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more elite trader matchups coming soon.